Seems like you forgot again. Let me remind you when it was hard, and you were overwhelmed and felt afraid, and walked alone, and felt invisible, and didn't have the answers, and couldn't see the way, and wanted to give up. You kept going. May you never forget that. What's done is done. What's gone is gone. One of life's lessons is always moving on. You knew that God was with you. It's okay to look back to see how far you've come, but keep moving forward. It's just you and God on this journey. Stop waiting on someone to come and save you. If you fail, it's okay. Keep trying until you succeed. Be your own hero. It was never about surrendering to reality and tossing away your dreams. It has always been about sticking to your life vision, even in the most terrifying times, till it radiates in your reality. It's the hardest things in life, the things that stress you out, that build character and make you stronger.